time here at Unique, especially in classics. 1955 Ford Thunderbird, both tops, so hard top and soft top. This has been a popular model the last couple years. Actually sold quite a few just recently. 292 V8 power underneath the hood. That is paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission. Nicely equipped too, power steering. AC blows cold. Take a look at the front bumper. Condition of the chrome, the grille, bright work. Looks good up front. This vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the purchase price and may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And you can call in at 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. So you can check out all the still pictures, be able to see close-ups, those wire wheel covers, and the wide white walls. Those are Coker Classic wide white walls, to be exact, radials. Take a look down the passenger side. Car has had a repaint, goldenrod yellow, and also has the yellow and black vinyl interior. Bench seat up front, of course, shifter on the floor. The aftermarket AC underneath the dash, I should say under dash AC. And Kenwood stereo also underneath the dash. Remember, AC blows cold. Some speakers added here on the back deck, make it a little easier to hear it with the top down and or even with the convertible top up. Continental kit, wheel skirts, that classic 50s look. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Of course, the exhaust exiting through the rear bumper. Take a look at the chrome condition back here. That matching Ford spoked wheel cover. And we're going to put the hard top on and the soft top up here. Towards the end of the video, show you both of those also. And you can see them in the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Black cloth top for the convertible top. Take a look down the driver's side here. You can see the paint shows well. Is it perfect? No. But is this one you can get in and drive? Take your local roll-ins, cruise-in shows? Absolutely. Shows pretty well, even up around where the convertible top is. You know, sometimes that kind of deteriorates or shows some age. Not so on this one. I mean, it's got a nice shine to it. But you may find a touch up here or there. All right. Take a little closer look at this interior. Wasn't originally a power seat car. I have not had the power seat working. There is a box of receipts on this car. Close to 4,000 recently. Just done in maintenance and upkeep and making it right. And of course that AC blowing cold. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. I may have to turn, there's a battery disconnect on this. I believe it's off underneath the hood. So let me get that battery disconnect hooked up real quick. Then we're gonna fire it up. I'll get the hood up too while I'm at it. All right, battery disconnect is tightened. And now we have power, the fuel pump. All right, let's make sure we're in neutral here. First off, notice the tach is working. There's a couple aftermarket gauges underneath here. Looks like oil pressure and temperature. Let you know those are down there. Check this out. Even the clock's working. Mentioned earlier, cold AC. Kenwood stereo powered up over here. Take a look at the dash. Good shape. I have the hood open. So you can take a look at that. Edelbrock 4-barrel on there. Again, 292. And you see it's a more modern AC compressor over there. Power steering. There's that battery disconnect I mentioned. Tighten that up. Take a look over here, and it is R134A. you'll be able to see a picture of the data tag or cowl tag in with the still pictures. All right, gives you an idea how it sounds, how that engine bay looks. Now let's go ahead, I'm going to shut it back up. Let's get that soft top up, check out the condition of that, and then we'll finish up with the hard top and a quick little driving video so you can see kind of a bird's eye view going down the road in this car. And here it is with the soft top up. So again, black fabric top. Let's take a look at the fit above the windshield. Looks good there. Of course, these are manual, pretty easy to flip up and latch. Side glass, see the fit of that. Rear plastic window, able to see through it just fine. There you go, get an idea. And you can see it latches down nice and tight on the back of it. Notice there's a little bit of separation right here. Let's face it, how many times you drive this car with the top up? If you needed to put it up, keep you out of a brief shower, it's gonna do that purpose just fine. Slight gap on the windshield there, but again, kind of the way you see the tops and windows fit in a lot of these older ones. Like I said, one of those cars, fun, get in, drive it, enjoy it at your local roll-ins, cruise-ins. So there's a look at the soft top. All right, I'm gonna pause it one more time. We're gonna put that hard top on, check out the looks of that, and wrap up this video with a quick drive video. And last but not least, the hard top. So color matching, goldenrod yellow, fit above the windshield, looks good. Side glass is tinted, as you can see, and here's a fit all right. And rear glass also tinted, so know your local and state laws as far as the darkness of your tint, what percentage you can have. Again, I can't imagine driving this car with the top on it a whole lot. It'd be so much fun with that top down and side glass on the passenger side. Looks good. So paint shows well on that too. Something else I want to quick mention, a few things that are going to come with this. There is an armrest that you can sit on the bench seat and have a cup holder in front of that. Looks like it's going to come with some relined brake shoes. There is a remote control for that stereo system, a couple miscellaneous parts. That will be put back in the trunk before it is shipped to its new owner. 1955 Ford Thunderbird, $292 underneath the hood. And remember, 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in, and you can do that at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. You'll see the underside, interior, engine bay, all tops, hard top and soft top. We do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1955 Ford Thunderbird. This is a 3-speed on the floor. Under the dash we have an aftermarket stereo, which is working well. The factory clock on the dash is ticking, and the factory tachometer also working well. Speedometer working. Both our turn signal indicators are working. Accelerates as you would expect. Horn working well. Wipers on this car also functional. Our oil pressure under the dash, we have gauges mounted for that, and it is 65 psi, temperature about 180. The fuel gauge reading just about empty. That could be correct.